Okay, let's take a look here at Google Slides scenario 1. In this case, we have our teacher, Fidencio. He wants a student to create group presentations on covalent bonds. And he wants to do this through Google Classroom, and he wants it to be a collaborative experience. So here's how we would set that up. So you would click on Create. We're going to come here to Assignment. And if we're doing the covalent bonds collaborative presentation, okay, I can put my instructions in here. Please work collaboratively. Simple enough. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a Google Slides kind of template that I want them to use to make their presentation. So I'm going to hit the plus button right here and select Slides. Now that I've created that, I can go in there and I can open it up and I could set it up however I want. And what I need to do now to make sure they can collaborate is change this here to students can edit the file. I want them to be able to edit it, so whoever I share this with will be able to edit the file. So again, here you can set your points, your due date. If you're using topics, you can put your topic there. If you're going to use a rubric to grade it, that's another way that you can another piece of information you can add. But I want to make this just for certain students. So what I'm going to do here is click where it says all students, and I'm going to uncheck all. And let's say I want these two, say these three students right here are going to collaborate on this. So when I assign this, only those three students will see this, and they will receive this in their Google Classroom. They'll see their instructions, and they'll have access to this file. So if I want to, I'm going to go ahead and click Assign. So if I'm going to do this for multiple groups in the class, and I want to use the same thing, what I'm going to do here is go to Create. Now I'm going to go to Reuse Post. And I'm going to reuse this post that I just did. And now this time, again, I already have my information there. It already has my presentation. They can edit file. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to have maybe these two students are going to collaborate on this version of it. So I may have multiple versions of this, but they can all turn in Google Slides, and you don't have to worry about having kids sharing things with each other. So I click Assign, and we'll see what it looks like. Now I have two different ones here. I may say add in here group 1, group 2, whatever, and doing that will allow to make this a collaborative Google Slides experience using Google Classroom.